Most people pay for Amazon Prime and use only one benefit. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking Prime is just about fast shipping. Here's the truth no one tells you. Many Prime members are leaving a lot of value on the table every month because they never explore all the features included with their membership. In this video, you'll discover some of the most valuable Amazon Prime benefits available in 2026 and learn whether you're actually getting your money's worth. Let's start with the benefit almost everyone knows. Fast shipping remains one of the biggest reasons people join Prime. For someone like Alex, who orders household items, electronics, and gifts throughout the month, fast delivery can save both time and shipping costs. But here's the problem. If shipping is the only thing you're using, you might be missing several other benefits that can increase the value of your membership. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many Prime members also have access to Prime Video. Instead of paying separately for multiple streaming services, some users find enough movies, shows, and original content inside Prime Video to make the membership more valuable. That's already a small win. But we're just getting started. Another benefit many people overlook is Prime Reading. Depending on availability, members can access a rotating selection of digital books, magazines, and other reading content. For example, Jake enjoys reading during his commute. Instead of purchasing every book individually, he checks Prime Reading first to see what's available. In a minute, I'll show you the benefit that many longtime Prime members completely forget about. Before that, let's talk about shopping perks. Prime members often receive access to special deals, promotions, and shopping events throughout the year. If you regularly buy products on Amazon, these discounts can add up surprisingly fast. This is where most people fail. They focus only on what Prime costs instead of calculating how much value they're actually receiving. Now let's discuss another feature. Depending on current offerings, Prime may include benefits related to gaming, digital content, photo storage, or other member-exclusive features. Many users never even open these sections of their account. Take John as an example. He joined Prime for shipping. Later he discovered he was also using streaming content, exclusive deals, and digital perks. Suddenly the membership became much more valuable than he originally expected. But here's an important reminder. Not every benefit is useful for every person. The real goal is identifying which features match your lifestyle. To summarize, the biggest Prime benefits in 2026 typically include fast shipping, streaming entertainment, reading content, member-exclusive deals, and other digital perks. The more of these you use, the better the value becomes. So, take a few minutes today and explore your Prime account. You may discover benefits you're already paying for but never using. If this video helped you uncover hidden Prime features, hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and let us know in the comments which Prime benefit you use the most.